Nakuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama wewe mchezaji majeruhi, kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Wewe na ndio mwanzo muligerewa Kitembe TV asiri tukiriga ya Jumamosi yechi tariki 5 nemo mutinyi noyo kianda. Karibu sana ase ikiunga chinsa nye chabono marugova erinde tuyara usanga nabwo kumanya narari usiku kumanya narari ali abereka okorekana ase chinsemo meyo rugongorwa gusi nabwo chinsinyo chinde ase ensi yetu ya Kenya. Veni nyaboke kurwase ebimanyero nchenkoro kwa Matilda Obaiwa yara usanga na ntu chinsemo cha Facebook na kwa YouTube una Kitembe TV. Mwancho murigirira ngochaka kionga chinsa nyecha bono maragoba nigo umwaziri umukoro umuske Dr. Fred Matiang'i bono anyare kuboria abakenya gochamo na bwego kwenekya una siasa yabo bose chinchira bakuria oborai ne chinchira chire chindonge nekiro atebire chin amangana yo kunyakuruterana ebitamero na bwego kunyakurusania kose kubekerana amagoso asichinga kichigataho konya kurinde banyare gutwara ekirenga ase okurya ekirogo bose uburai obuya anamono ekirogo ky'oburai bwense ase amatuko ale bose ayega nigo ariko yakona kurwa ase county ya Machakos ekiro arikumirana na aborokia bechi skuru bose aborokio bechi university ase meyo.
We are stronger and there's nothing wrong with our country. I mean, this is a wonderful country. It's our only home on earth. God has been kind and gracious to us and gifted us a wonderful country. Let's take care of it. The challenges we have, the momentary challenges in our leadership are not our destiny. You know, that language, you university professors are researchers. You know, when a guy tells you that there are 500 or so health units in a particular place, and you know the population of the place, we were actually working the math in the morning together and we were saying, it must mean that every 5 or 10 households in that area has got a clinic. Is that possible? Yani kwani sisi ni wajinga wa wapi? You know, do they expect that we will believe that? You know, so you know, please let us not accept these intellectual insults and this abuse we are getting as a people. Let us stand up, crank ourselves up, dust ourselves together, move forward, vote these fellows out, and form a government that will take Kenya to the next level. And demonstrate our seriousness as a country. We are a serious country. We cannot be managed like this. We are serious people. How can we accept to be managed like this? And indeed, we have capacity to manage ourselves better. So, my parting shot, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, let's do every one of us who are seated here. I want to ask you, please, prepare to do a good thing. You know, in life and in the history of your country, you do a good thing when you improve your country's welfare. And now, as we are moving forward to the elections, please prepare to do a good thing. And the good thing can't be returning these people. So you know what the good thing is. And you educated people. Yani kama tuko namna hii vile tulivyo baada ya miaka 3. Another 5 years of these people, do you think you will have a country? Takuwa hata umeuswa wewe mwenyewe unafika Dubai. I don't spend so much time on a lot of innuendos. I would like to focus on solutions. How do we get ourselves out of this? The horrific stories you hear in the education sector that are going on. No one knows that better than you guys. But what we are seeing in the country. I mean, we talk to teachers, we are with teachers, school principals, parents every day. And you keep asking yourself the question, what actually is going on? And so what do you want to hear? All those parents of Kenya, all the teachers of Kenya, wherever you meet the teachers, ask them a simple question. Do you want to continue this way? If your answer is no, like mine is, and Kalonzo and everybody's answer is no, then you know what to do. This is a case where I honestly think we shouldn't campaign. Those who should campaign and are spending money on social media, insulting us, creating meetings for us that we don't even know, lying about what Kalonzo has done and are not done, lying about where Matiang'i is seated, vis-a-vis Kalonzo's position of sitting. You know, people have nothing to do. People spend time on pettiness, you know, and small, you know, how did we become so small-minded as a country? So those are the kind of things we spend time on now. And now we are being told about those.
Mwancho umurigirira no mukonyi w'umurai wense umuske Kithure Kindiki nigo bono anyarire kuboria abasae ime yense ya Kenya kuirangora anu muno ekero bakuboria gusekero barigetie uburai obuya kaukona koro asitin semo cha mbere enothi gutuka ime ye county ya Embu ritukoria rero kiranyara kumurana n'abasae nigo umuske Kindiki anyarire goteba serikali ya Kenya nemanyite buna abasae mbari nechinguru naboigo mbagendete gutira amakongo akorene nekira ko baboria banyara kuba abatoereru ngano nyino burayi obuya mborikorigwa asinchira yokuburwa masikani.
Young people have a longer life than those of us who are older people. That is how God has created us. They will live longer than us. They have more energy than us. They have more knowledge than us. They have more talent than us. They have more innovation than the older people. And for that reason, the hope of Kenya is in the hands and in the visions and the dreams of our young people. Unajua ya kwamba vijana ndio nguzo na ndio tegemeo la taifa lolote lile. Hakuna taifa inaweza songa mbele kama limewacha vijana nyuma. Young people all over the world, they are the engines of progress and development in any country. Na ndio agenda ya vijana inakuwa na umuhimu sana, because without young people, no society, no country can progress. What we request from our young people with a lot of respect is that as we process our input to our national development, as we add value to our leaders so that they can deliver better, we must do so as young people peacefully and not using violence. Because when we introduce violence, if we introduce violence in the politics of our country, we will lose the country. We will destroy the economy, we will destroy investment, and the job opportunities that could have been created, whether by the public sector or private sector, will be lost. I therefore urge the young people of Kenya to continue demanding better governance, to continue demanding accountability from us, those who are in leadership, but to do so without jeopardizing the nation's security and stability, and without destroying the economy, because the economy is what will sustain even the young people today and tomorrow. Fire si fire, ni fire si fire. Serikali inajaribu kuongeza nafasi za kazi na nafasi za ajira na mapato. We are trying to create jobs and income opportunities for young people. First and foremost, we have a number of categories of young people. Some of the young people have gone to school. They have a university or college education. That is one group of youths. Kwa wale vijana ambao wako kwa biashara, tarehe 18 mwezi wa 9, Rais Ruto ataanzisha program ya Nyota, National Youth Opportunities Towards Advancement. That program will be commissioned by the President on 18th of September to make sure in every ward we identify 70 businesses led by and run by young people. We support them. We train them on how to keep records, on how to manage your business. And eventually after training, we offer a grant, not a loan, a grant, a non-repayable grant of 50,000 shillings for every business.
Wancho murigere chingagie chicho nigo omoske kindi ki anyara gukwanira obochori oboke bore posio guse obochori wa by elections nekero bono anyara gukwana buna ebunge yo ya Mbeere North nigera chikutwara omurwaniririo yomo inse igi ria buri ria guse kiama kia UDA nabo yonekera borire buna campaign chonsi chirache wako ase obochori obo bore posio chibe echio murembe nabo igo echia maskani.
Tutapeana certificate yetu ya chama kwa sababu hao waungwana wote wamesikizana kwa hiari yao. Kitu ya pili, campaign ya Mbeere North by election. Hawa ambao walikuwa wanasimama wote 8, hao ndio wataongoza campaign secretariat. The National Campaign Secretariat itaongozwa na wale ambao walikuwa wanataka kusimama na chama chetu, na chairman wao atakuwa Njagagwa Senior. Be a team player. Yes, kwa sababu wewe mwenyewe umesema, umetuambia sio ati ni Mungu tu amekusaidia hawa wanaume wakakusikiza, because everybody is a leader in their own right. Si namna hiyo? So work with them as equal partners. You're just the first among equals. Kweli si kweli? Tutapata hii kiti jameni? Tutapata hii kiti? Ni fire si fire? Ni fire si fire? Mbeere North hoye! Mbeere North hoye!
Na sisigi yokurwania mariogo tancheiri gose amariogo yogotindi aiga asensi ya Kenya nigo omwaziri oborindi boime omuske Kipchumba Murkomen ono anyare goteba buna esigi yu nigegendete gokonga ekiagera achinga kichinyenge gose marange nigo aba batenete amangana yoborindi gose abagambi bakonyara kubwata maki korwa asebali bakogendereria obonchoriria amariogo aiga yogotindi nekera kwerera buna amariogo gose amarwa tancheiri akwengo ase binyoro nabo igo nonye chinyasore nabo biabere bikoreto muchando omonene aiga nigaya kwana korwa ase county ya Vihiga ime yorogongorwa Western omugasorero.
Everybody knows across the country that one of the biggest challenges here is marijuana. Unfortunately, we have normalized conversation, particularly in the Luanda area. It's become like it's a common normal issue, you know, because it's been socialized within the society for many years. And we need something more than operations. We need a societal change and acceptance that this issue of drug abuse is generating one of the biggest crises in this county and the country. Some of the most affected citizens with mental health, particularly in our mental health institutions, come from this county as a result of abuse of drugs. And therefore, we cannot just talk about enforcement. It must go beyond that. We must do societal sensitization, sitting with the churches, sitting with our county commissioners and our chiefs, assistant chiefs. We must find a lasting solution that is long-term. We must also look at the long-term impacts in so far as school dropouts, unemployment, and other challenges that are affecting society. In fact, the prevalence of some of the high crimes here are directly related to drug abuse and drug and alcohol abuse. And some of these crimes are really very prevalent here, particularly murder. The other challenge I want to speak to is the cases of defilement and gender-based violence. Again, this is a phenomenon that's a problem in all the 4 counties, including Vihiga here. Gender-based violence is prevalent here. In some other areas, it is women who are suffering most. But here also men are suffering because of there are also women who are abusing and beating their husbands and their men. And so the challenges we must be able to confront here as a society. And the other issue we have here is a close family member defiling a small child, an uncle, a stepfather. And I have told the security team we cannot condone this. And that's the conversation we'll have with the chiefs so that we cannot use alternative dispute resolution mechanism to sort the problem.
Mwancho Mulgire nase oroboti rwabene kurase orogongo rwose kurase county ya Kisii bunge ya Bonchari nigo muriketo dipo nasanya twargeneretio roboti igoro yegeti kendege igiasuneka gose egeti igiasuneka airstrip ekibono umurai bwense anyara kurira na serikali nene nechikoene kiabuna egeti ekyo kyanyare kwagacha obwekirano nabo igo chaka gukora emirimo ayayiga magega ya abamenyi korwa chinsemo oime yorogongo rwagusi kwaba bakuburia buna amagendero nigo abirika koira na magega gose serikali nigo konyora etarabage kubikumukia asogwikirania amagendero aigase orogongo rwagusi kurende ekiro igati abamenyi be county ya Kisii banyare gusanga nabo igokorera okogokiwa kwabo igoro yenganeyo.
Munajua watu wa Kenya Airports Authority walisema ile airport mlikuwa mmesuggest hapo Sironga ni ngumu kwa sababu ya mambo ya utafiti. So what we have said is we reinstate Suneka, ile Suneka. Hata kama iko na matatizo kidogo, tufanye hiyo Suneka the best we can do, si ndio? Ili tuweze kujenga Suneka to the best that we can do, si ndio? Alafu kama kutahitajika mambo mengine tutajua pale baadaye. Kwa hivyo I have given instructions to the ministry. Initially walikuwa wamesuggest we decommission Suneka, but I have told them kwa sababu tumekosa mahali ingine ya kuweka hii airport, wacha tufanye whatever is possible for us to make sure that we reinstate Suneka as a facility.
Ejen nenkwana yomurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto. Hamatuko makeigo airire chingaki abamenyi be county ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira bakoretaro yabene guchia State House asegeka kimiaka gwetania 5 nigegetie keiga gya Suneka airstrip gyatigete gukora emirimo asichi sababu ao ichuchi aletete ogutaigwana chimeme anere kurasa bamenyi be bunge ya Bonchari
ero egetiye wo chaga iga tata moya arenge sokoro moya chiarenge ono egetie ke ya chagite 19 ekeroge kororekana 1976 ndage ntangani aliyegwete getie ke 1976 abantu bakagoka inde ndage twarori 19 ndage muna banchari
abantu bakirete bakaumata buna banchari tugatebe getie ke ngiato tuburabu nande so maene egetie ke nakie getangani guchakaga bunchari egetie ke nakie getangani gusiengima abantu bakure bakore tubagweteri gwa bange bogukumia
nonye nabo egetie keiga nigo giakorete mirimo korwa ase chiserikali gwitania isato inse yomurai Jomo Kenyatta, Daniel Toroitich arap Moi, Mwai Kibaki na boigo Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta kurinde emiroberio yogotenaniwa kwegetie keiga na gutaka kung'anyiwa gucha chinsemo cha sironga nigo kwarorekana kwamererigwa nabange
tie ke ya chagete no boraigwa mogaka mwise Jomo Kenyatta iga chage kanyora mogaka Moi alap iga chage kanyora Mwai Kibaki iga chage kanyora Uhuru ya jetege kyanyorire Mr. Ruto
yeto kia suneka kieran tuirane rigwe keria tagete ko gusuga iga keirwe sekia chiete simply because ntu abuate representation yengiya ekonyara gukwana so ibintu bigukwanwa mesa
riese bare gokeira sironga inkomanyo yo tagete gokeira lakini nkoirunga bakia rwanire tuna matiang ari nasa makwere nde matabori akoijwa no to koikuru eneskeime egetie ke go ke bwatera manga kwarora ase erebo yegetikere kinegeti na kiarire kiagatire chinyomba chierete
egente ke president yuka gai kransa na enente ke koirana ya banchari anonsi semu abetanga mbi yamono ase chi petition mu abekire ngegeti ya sune kanke base kurusuka ntubuate e group ya abantu professionals e korokunga bonchari BCC yari kira marube paka se president yari kira marube up to the international kurende bago petition nga inkigeko geregeti kiari kurusi gusuneka
oburabu bwokomesia gusi anene ebunge ya bonchari nigo bwarorekanete asabange asoko enyorera libaga lyogokoro bonchuria nabo igabande goika kwenyorera emirimo chinsemechyo
Dege ntangani igwete mwaka 57 ntangani nga esobo nyankigoro kwende ramwe kama kubeku naende tuabege nga to kore mirimo ga ikebarua nti tuaga jete to tenete kyombe jitwarendete baka jikayara igobo no ende ngento kiroro nti tuanje tege tikirani naende tuanje tamagende ntwangeti ikiagera no sekiri muna batebete nga ngosukibara abantu mbakwanga
tokine tegetie kanyangira be kuramu na baka kegenderete gocha no tware kolisio lakini chindaga ngoja kiarenge twarora toka asaba anchari tukamanya karora chindaga kari akare soere gaiga abana jesi ngocha baringa gatu abana ebinto ande bagoka omondo karwarire nyinyorete ngakigetenere tangi yategete gari gisonso montaga cho yete rami endege yachete immediately kamwere Kenyatta
ikigangi arato konyete sana none kere to kiarenge twajiri nchina Kenya kibekire ram ngiato konyete kere mongino mintago ntoma nona kaimukia matoke nare tagari geti naye bwebese amuyene yonte ngambi yamono tada torochinga igabna torangene geti mbia tore nake gokerete geti ekega
maiga yorogongorwe kororekana gokea ase kerengo keganeirie giokonyora egetigie chindege nigabara ikurwa ase bunge ya bonchari bakoretege ikarona gusanga ibirengererio byokugareya chinsemechyo
abantu mbaraiga babwata maremu araiga ngena na segetieke bari tayari ntu akorete public participation bari tayari kurua maremabo bae guchi besa egeti kigari igwe Kebean International Airport ibono una tuira neriwe geti eke akerego igocha gochaka ekina chiebinto togo cha gwikaransa bono totebya abantu baringa igure geti eke tari bune airstrip kegenderere yekine Kebe Airport
gukwana n'abamenyi bebunge ya Bonchari nigo bakwereranga okwirana kwegetie keiga ukuranyare korobya obosombi kwirene amabaga gochia asabange kwenyorere mirimo naboigo gukinia magenderero chinsemecho ase chinchera ao
Munabasa egigucha go to local permanent opportunities to employment. Ngakichikolete employment opportunities. We have learned people in Bonchari abari bataraba employed. Etivet yeko beko in Bonchari egetie ke airstrip yasune kageko irana in Bonchari ki unlock the opportunities chinyinge ase engineers asaba alimu asaba abantu ba mache abantu ba construction igo Bonchari eligereti go chikomesa go chimotuga iga so nare go teba iga eyange elio bwate ngotu otaragure enyi tora tuguterie ngotu neba kebo chogete genda nyesone nario ora tuare omoya bugo tuare elienyi nelienyi gegocha eyenkoro nabo kobeka go chimogondo kobwaterete elienyi
roigetie kikerera nega iga amana na linga ntokonya kiasi nyinjo yoboni bwito abantu baito bali kwo bai guchigasi obosombi boberaisi ekorangi atokonye tenga kiyobo kimbisi bwarenge 207 igatokonya sana abantu baito bakababa kobera gaiga bakagachwa bandi bakagenda chinso bakatwara omurembe ntuna abalemi tusimegete avocado tusimegete litoke tusimegete mosi tusimegete nanasi tubwate gendo Bonchari ntu akaonire getime karaba murabaito bagachire no ene aba na Air Force twabaira litoke batwachi besange bono ekerogia sieku ntu bono bigo tuchandike
asense moyende ebirengerero ao byobotumeki bwegetie keiga asokwagachwa wechinyomba chi affordable housing inse yobotenaniri we serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo kwarorekana gokwegwa okoboko kulinda sense moyende niga bange barorekana kwamereria na gotebanga tigegetie keiga kero isiwe getumeke buna matuka magega
nanyora nga nonye nekero kiatebeta nga nkoirukire omuntu naruchagete gotebanga nga kiabeire affordable housing no ewe chakobekwa omuntu oyiga achagete gukwana agachaka koropoka mangana housing tarenga ande igonto base ko confuse abantu baito naende onya housing to kolenter buna Bonchari igoto kora public participation to identify samare mare kurene kinyomba chiagachwe
naweza nikatofautiana na wenzangu kwa sababu kiwanja inaweza ikachukua milioni 500. Hiyo income itakuja kwa hii area haitakuwa nyingi, lakini hata kama wanakataa hizo nyumba zingeleta karibu 10 billion kujenga nyumba hapa kutoka mwisho huko mpaka juu, hiyo ni karibu 10 million. Hivyo GDP ya hapa itaweza kuincrease, kwa hiyo watu kujaa, biashara kufanyika.
Gocha kutubekera chinyomba agaiga gose tocha komenya ime tingo tigabuone singa tene tato minto nja komenya getini njaya na banga nyingo ngatatiga batene nije getiga itoka
chingaki abagusi baganyerere to kwigurwa no guchaka bene kwegeti ekeiga nigabanyamwando baruro kuboria gocha serikali kurigererwa na koegwa libaga lieritangani
igoto kurwa a request nga ekere contract yego chako utangazwa Abanchari mbaraga babwata capacity baranyare ko agachegetie eke tito baise konyora nga twanyorire getie eke abantu bakuruisiko ngana bago cha kolega asiga tiga bana baito banyoreri opportunity bakolega asiga iga chigasi ne chinyingi sana chiko cha kutoka gai
amoranche contract ndio sipikonde ndelema egetie okorabia okwabusa okoroseria abageni ndagera okorwa konda abantu mbarasi to bwate chibesa barari megetie kinandege ogoku gakiba Bonchari Bonchari boka
komenta nayo nigo abanchari bagotebanga chinsemecho nigo batingetie oborendi engana bagotebanga nerebuya egetie kiokoirana na gokonya omogusi asubwagare
oniga ngotebana ki usalama nere bonchari nere ntangani gutwara usalama gutwara bamura ba vigilante bakorinde meji ntuto bwati bwoba no mogena chana bakuraraga bimbuyi
oko nakugosemeria gwatigirwa bamenyi bebunge ya bonchari asocho chaka gokora bogia wigetie keiga kia Suneka airstrip Wigo no konyora magenderero ande sorogongoro igarwa gusi bunabetega kurierwa chira tinga kiche campaign no muraibwe nse Dr. William Samuel Ruto ntobe togo kumanya buna ebire bigabira bikogenderera na Wigo buna magenderera bekago sorogongoro gusi inse serikali ya Kenya kwanza ripoteria getaseni kia ukiagatembe kuraiga asebunge ya Bonchari county ya Kisii elianengoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Mwancho murigere roboti urukuru asegete kietende gia Suneka gotoka imega Bonchari no tukorera ekeunga chinsa nye chabona maragoba nego chabuto kirechita ke kamera 3 igoro ye chinsa nye ne kirobono kokobole nyare ko yarigania ase omoroberio obwo umanikanete na weekend jam ase chitaka chinke chirebose korende ase bono bia mono sana kyagera kwagendere ko bomwegeno anamono asense moye kionga na bogo miroberiende ase ritukeriga ria Jumamosi kurose ebimanyere nere veni nyaboke studio akabirenere Kevin Ongeri nenchengorokwa Matilda Obaigwa yarigane kigema weekend jam koshere ase kekeke
Superstores Nero eduka asorogongoriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati andonsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate Murang ayuari aye chigech emerongetato asama bati alia aye chigech emerongibire na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na buigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na buigo web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabati yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikunyarako bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase MRM showroom onyariko bagokwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom Wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ndagira njane gwansabuna iyero sirine Riziki Caterers. Riziki Caterers ngorobare obukoreri ubuya asichinse mubuna outside catering. Asemeyega buna